Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a preferred language on Tinder for Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Tinder app on your Android device. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can view and edit your account information and settings. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is the universal symbol for settings. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to open up your settings menu. This is where you can access all the customization options for your Tinder account, including preferences that affect how you connect with others. Now you'll need to scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option labeled Preferred Languages. This feature allows you to specify which languages you're comfortable communicating in, making it easier to match with people who speak the same languages as you. It's a great way to ensure better conversations and connections with potential matches who share your linguistic background. Once you've located preferred languages, tap on it to open the language selection screen. Here you'll see an option that says Add Language. Click on this button to bring up a list of available languages that Tinder supports. The platform offers a wide variety of languages, so you'll likely find the ones you're looking for. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the list of languages and choose the one you want to add to your profile. Once you've found your desired language, simply tap on it to select it. The language will immediately be added to your preferred languages list, and this information will now be visible on your profile to potential matches who share that language preference. And that's it. You've successfully added a preferred language to your Tinder profile, making it easier to connect with people who speak the same language as you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.